I hope you would have understood the properties of integers which was done in the last session, and today I am going to start with exercise 1.2. The first question, write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. So I have to take two integers, pair in the sense 2. So I have to take two integers in such a way that the number, if when I add those two integers, I should get the result to be minus 7. So now let me take the number to be minus 3 and minus 4. So what is told here? It's integers, so it can be even negative. Now sum is, so I'm going to add these two numbers, minus 3 plus within brackets minus 4. So minus 3 as it is, plus into minus, minus 4. So two numbers with two different same sign, so I have to add. So 3 plus 4, 7, and put the same sign, so minus 7. Correct? Next, second one, difference is minus 10. The same way I can take two numbers with which are integers, and I should get the result to be minus 10. Now I am going to take the two numbers to be minus 12 and minus 2. Now they have told difference. So minus 12, difference means minus sign. The second number is also a minus sign. So I am writing it in the bracket. So minus 12, minus into minus, plus 12. So plus 2. Sorry children, it is not 12, it is 2. Now when I've got two numbers with two different signs, so I will subtract. 12 minus 2 is 10 and put the greater number sign, which is minus. Now moving on to the second question, write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. So I have to write only negative integers, pair of negative integers whose difference is 8. Now the numbers will be minus 2 and 10. Sorry, minus 2 and minus 10. As I said, it is negative integer. So both the things I have to take only negative numbers. Here, the first question you may ask, why both the things you have taken negative? It can be even positive. You can find out any other numbers which will give you the sum to be minus 7 and difference to be minus 10. And let me know. Now, whose difference gives 8 it is given. So minus 2 minus 10. Now minus 2 minus into minus plus 10. So different signs, subtract, put the greater number sign, which is plus 8. Next, second question, third sum. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. So you have to write a negative integer, that is a number which has got a minus sign, and that positive integer, the number which has got a plus sign. You have to subtract both the numbers and get the value to be minus 3. So we will have the number to be minus 2 and 1. So this is a negative integer and this is a positive integer. I am going to find out the difference. So minus 2 minus of plus 1. Now minus 2 minus into plus minus 1, which is two numbers with the same sign, add and put the same sign. So my answer is minus 3, and here also I am getting minus 3. Okay, third question. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0, minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? So I am going to find out the total score of team A. That is, they have scored minus 40 plus 10 plus 0. Now I will simplify the first two numbers. So minus 40 plus 10, two numbers with two different signs, subtract and put the greater number sign, plus 0, which is minus 30. Now team B has scored 10 plus 0 plus minus 40. So 10 plus 0 plus into minus minus 40. Now 10 plus 0 is 10 minus 40. Two numbers, one is positive and one is negative. So subtract and put the greater number sign. So they are asking which team has scored more. If you obviously when you see both the teams have scored the same point but in different rounds. So both the team have the same score. So it is a tie. And that is the second question. Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Yes. So I have added the integers in different order, but I am getting the answer to be same. So integers can be added in any order. Now homework for this week. Exercise 1.2. You may note down this and do it as a homework. Thank you, children.